Did you ever wonder how much oxygen the Amazon rainforest contributes to the world? Well, let's delve into the lush green world of the Amazon, the largest rainforest on our planet. Stretching over a staggering 2.7 million square miles, it spans across 9 countries in South America. This isn't just a forest, it's a world of its own. The Amazon isn't merely about its size, its significance stretches far beyond its geographical boundaries. This emerald expanse is often referred to as the lungs of the earth. Why, you ask? Because it's responsible for producing about 20% of the world's oxygen. Yes, you heard it right. 1/5 of our planet's oxygen comes from this vast rainforest. Moreover, the Amazon plays a critical role in regulating the world's climate by absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas. The Amazon rainforest is a unique, vast, and complex ecosystem that plays a crucial role in our planet's health. Have you ever imagined the sheer amount of species living in the Amazon rainforest? Now let's delve into this vibrant world of biodiversity that the Amazon is known for. The Amazon, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, houses an incredible array of life forms. It's a living kaleidoscope of biodiversity, teeming with species that can't be found anywhere else on the planet. From the towering kapok trees to the tiny poison dart frogs, and from the elusive jaguars to the vibrant macaws, the Amazon is a bustling metropolis of life. Among the unique and endangered species that call the Amazon home, we find the pink river dolphin, an aquatic mammal with a distinctive color that's as fascinating as it is rare. The Amazonian manatee, another aquatic resident, is also under threat due to habitat loss and hunting. On land, the spider monkey swings from branch to branch, while the giant anteater trundles along the forest floor, both species facing the challenges of deforestation and climate change. Yet, biodiversity in the Amazon is not limited to just flora and fauna. The rainforest is also home to a rich tapestry of indigenous communities, each with their own unique cultures, languages, and deep-rooted connections to the forest. From the Yanomami to the Kayapo, these tribes have lived in harmony with the rainforest for centuries, relying on its resources for their survival and playing an integral role in its preservation. Their relationship with the rainforest is a delicate balance of give and take. They hunt and fish, but they also plant and harvest, contributing to the forest's cycle of growth and renewal. Their knowledge of the forest and its species is extensive, passed down through generations, and serves as an invaluable resource in our understanding of this complex ecosystem. Truly, the Amazon rainforest is a treasure trove of biodiversity, with countless species relying on its preservation. It's a vibrant, living library of life on Earth, a testament to the wonders of nature, and a reminder of our responsibility to protect and preserve it for generations to come. Did you know that the Amazon rainforest could hold the key to curing many diseases? A remarkable fact, isn't it? This lush green expanse is more than just a habitat for wildlife. It's a treasure trove, a vast, untapped pharmacy filled with potential cures waiting to be discovered. The Amazon is teeming with a diverse array of plants, many of which possess unique medicinal properties. For instance, the bark of the cinchona tree, native to the Amazon, has been used for centuries to treat malaria. Another plant, the sangre de drago, or dragon's blood, is known for its wound healing and anti-inflammatory properties. These are just a few examples of the medicinal wonders hidden within the Amazon. This incredible biodiversity has led to numerous potential medical breakthroughs. Scientists have been exploring the therapeutic properties of these plants, leading to the development of new drugs and treatments. From cancer and diabetes to Alzheimer's and heart disease, the Amazon rainforest could hold the answers to some of the world's most pressing medical challenges. But the potential goes beyond what we have discovered so far. It's estimated that we've only identified a fraction of the plant species that call the Amazon home. Who knows what potent remedies lie undiscovered among the towering trees and dense undergrowth? However, this invaluable resource is under threat. Deforestation, illegal logging, and climate change are taking a toll on the Amazon, leading to the loss of countless plant species, many of which could have held the key to life-saving medicines. This underscores the urgency of preserving the Amazon rainforest, not just for the sake of biodiversity, but for the future of medical research. the Amazon rainforest is like a vast green library. Each plant, each species is a book filled with knowledge and potential. If we lose these species, it's like burning books before we've had a chance to read them. In conclusion, the Amazon rainforest is not only a biodiversity hotspot, but it's also a potential gold mine for medical research. It's a reminder that nature, in its infinite wisdom and complexity, has much to teach us. We just need to listen, learn, and most importantly, protect. Are you aware of the threats that this vital ecosystem is facing? The Amazon rainforest, the world's largest tropical rainforest, faces a litany of threats that put its existence in jeopardy. These threats range from human activities such as deforestation and illegal mining to global phenomena like climate change. Deforestation is a major concern. Every year, vast swaths of the Amazon are cleared, primarily for cattle ranching and agriculture. This rampant destruction not only threatens the biodiversity within the rainforest, but also contributes to global warming. You see, trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to offset the effects of climate change. But when these trees are cut down, they release their stored carbon back into the atmosphere, exacerbating the problem. Illegal mining is another significant threat. The Amazon is rich in valuable minerals, attracting miners from all over the world. However, this type of mining is often done without regard to the environment, leading to habitat destruction and pollution of waterways with toxic chemicals. And then there's climate change. The Amazon rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating the world's climate by absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide. However, changes in climate patterns, such as increased temperatures and altered rainfall patterns, can affect the health of the rainforest, reducing its ability to absorb carbon and increasing its vulnerability to fires. The impact of these threats extends beyond the Amazon. The loss of biodiversity can disrupt ecosystems, affecting everything from local water supplies to global weather patterns. Moreover, the Amazon is home to many indigenous communities who depend on the forest for their livelihoods and way of life. The destruction of the Amazon thus has dire social implications as well. The threats facing the Amazon rainforest are severe, and their repercussions could be catastrophic on a global scale. As we move forward, it's crucial to understand these threats and work towards mitigating them. After all, the fate of the Amazon affects us all. Wondering how you can contribute to the preservation of the Amazon rainforest? Well, there's good news. Numerous conservation efforts are underway to safeguard this precious ecosystem. Governments, non-profit organizations, and even local communities are coming together to combat deforestation and protect the diverse flora and fauna that call the Amazon their home. One such effort includes reforestation work. This involves planting trees in areas where deforestation has occurred, helping to restore the rainforest's natural balance. There are also initiatives to support indigenous communities who have been the stewards of this land for centuries. They are often the best defenders against illegal logging and mining, and their knowledge of the rainforest is invaluable in conservation efforts. But the fight to protect the Amazon doesn't stop there. It extends well beyond the borders of the rainforest, reaching into our daily lives. And that's where you come in. You see, our everyday choices can make a significant impact. For instance, by supporting companies that are committed to responsible practices, we can help reduce the demand for products that contribute to deforestation. This includes items like unsustainable palm oil or paper products from illegally logged trees. Reducing our paper use is another way we can help. By going digital whenever possible, we can decrease the demand for paper, thus reducing the number of trees cut down in the Amazon and other forests around the world. And let's not forget about donations. Many conservation organizations rely on public funding to continue their vital work. By donating even a small amount, we can support these organizations and their efforts to protect the Amazon. Every choice we make, every action we take, can contribute to the conservation of the Amazon. It's not just about the big things, the policy changes, or the massive reforestation projects. It's about the small, everyday choices that add up over time. So remember, every individual action counts in the fight to protect the Amazon rainforest. So, what have we learned about the Amazon rainforest today? We've journeyed through a world of its own, a biodiversity hotspot teeming with life. We've seen how it's a source of medicine, with potential cures nestled in its verdant foliage. We've also discussed the threats this remarkable forest faces, from deforestation to climate change. And we've considered the conservation efforts underway, and how each one of us can contribute to them. The Amazon rainforest is more than just a forest. It's the lungs of our planet, our global air conditioner, and a treasure trove of biodiversity. It is a testament to the richness of life on Earth and a beacon of hope for our future. Our actions today determine the fate of this irreplaceable ecosystem. We all breathe the same air, drink the same water, and share the same planet. The Amazon rainforest is a shared treasure and a shared responsibility. Together, we can ensure its preservation for generations to come.